Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. In this video, I will tell you how to create a design in Adobe XD, and after creating design, how to implement those design in Android Studio. First, I want to tell one important thing before starting this video. All of you maybe use various kind of application. These application might be made in Android Studio, but the design behind the text field and the buttons is made in Adobe XD. We cannot design our app background in Android Studio. So for this, we use Adobe XD. On YouTube, you may find lots of videos in which someone design background and as well as they design button and text field in Adobe XD. But I want to tell one thing, that we can use only background, not the text field design and button design. For button and text field, we just copy paste those values from Adobe XD to Android Studio to use the same design in Android Studio. My main motive for this video is to show you how to create basic design and then how to use that design in Android Studio, because when I start Adobe XD, I made the design easily. But I am not able to apply this design in Android Studio. I face lots of problems. So I want that you not face any problem. So for this I make this video. I want to give a clear-cut solution for this problem. This video come in two parts. In first part of this video, we create design in Adobe XD. In another part of this video, we see how to use it in Android Studio. Now take a look what we are going to do. You can see an app is already installed in my phone and it has a great design. You can use this design for your splash screen, for your main activity or any activity in Android Studio. So I show you how to create this, and you can create very great design according to your creativity and according to your need. And after creating this design, I will show you how to implement this in Android Studio. So don't further delay. Now let's start. Now open Adobe XD. First I want to show you one more background design. So I open it and you can also make this. Now I close the Adobe XD and again open it because I want to show everything from scratch. Click on iPhone, select Android mobile from here. Now select the square and draw the square on this white screen exact to the same size of this Android mobile with the help of mouse. Now I deselect the border from here to remove it and I fill it with black color for now, because when you take new shape, it is very easy to see the other shape with the help of black color. Now again select an square and draw an big rectangle from it. Click it from corner and make it round. Now for moving this object, first select the cursor from here. I just increase its length. So I just rotate it and fix it like this. You can fix it like according to your choice. It is depend on you. Now select a square again and draw a rectangle. Make it round with the help of corner dot. And now I just place it here. Now just copy and paste it with the help of Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, and now I place it here. Now select it and deselect the border and fill it with any color. I use this color code for my design. You can use any color according to your need. You can also reduce the opacity if you want or not. Now for this shape, I do same thing. For big rectangle or big ellipse, you can say, you can fill solid color, you can fill gradient if you want to fill gradient. I just want to show you how it works. Now I just fill the solid color for background. Just select the background and fill it with any color according to your creativity. I use linear gradient for the background. And now our design maybe look great. Now first I save it with Ctrl+S. Now it's time to export this design. One important thing before export. If I export this design, then the extra part also get exported. But we don't need an extra part. We need only the Android mobile shape size part. So for this, first we have to cut the extra part. So for cutting the extra part, first select a square or rectangle from here and draw it on extra part. Now select this rectangle and select your main rectangle with the help of Shift button. After selecting both shape, just click on here and you can see the extra part get completely removed. Now do the same thing for remaining two shape. Simply draw a rectangle on the extra shape. Just select both of them and click on here. Do the same thing for third one also. Now for exporting this, first we have to make a group of this all shape. So select all shape with the help of Shift button. And on the left side, you can see all shapes get selected. Sometimes the all time menu bar is not appear here. So for this, just use the shortcut key Ctrl+Y. When you use Ctrl+Y, this all items are getting appear here. After selecting all shape, just right click with the help of mouse and click on group. And you can see the group is created successfully. Now right click on your group, click on export selected and select Android from here. I recommend one thing, always make a new folder for new design. So click on change, I make a new folder here with the name of Android Design Learning. Click on select folder, now click on export and our background is successfully exported. Now I just minimize it and you can see this is our folder and I open it. Always remember one thing, when you export any project, it always exports 6 file because this image can be fit any size of Android mobile, so it exported 6 file. So don't get confused. In every file you can see the same design is present. Now it's over for this video. In the next part of this video, I will show you how to use this background in Android Studio for your main activity or splash screen. So thanks for this video. I hope you like it. If there is any query, comment down below. Thank you.